If a hacker deletes your customer data, whose fault is it? Yours or AWS? If you get this wrong, you fail the shared responsibility question. In Part 8, we solve the tricky disputes between AWS security and your security. Let's start with question 36 right now. As per the AWS shared responsibility model, which of the following is a responsibility of AWS from a security and compliance point of view? A. Customer data. B. Server-side encryption. C. Identity and access management. D. Edge location management. This question is asking which task belongs to AWS, not the customer, under the shared responsibility model. In simple terms, which item is part of AWS managing the global cloud infrastructure? The correct answer is D. Edge location management. Under the AWS shared responsibility model, AWS is responsible for security of the cloud, which includes the physical infrastructure, data centers, regions, availability zones, and edge locations used by services like CloudFront and Route 53. That means AWS handles physical security, facility operations, hardware, and networking at these locations. Customers never manage or control edge location infrastructure, so edge location management is clearly an AWS responsibility. Why the other options are incorrect. Customer data A. Customers are fully responsible for securing and classifying their own data in AWS. Server-side encryption B. Choosing to enable encryption, selecting keys, and managing policies for data encryption is a customer responsibility, even if AWS provides the tools, S3 SSE, KMS, etc. Identity and access management. C. Customers are responsible for configuring IAM users, roles, and permissions in their own accounts. Quick memory tip, think. AWS equals physical infrastructure, regions, AZs, edge locations. U equals data, IAM configs. Question 37. An organization deploys its IT infrastructure in a combination of its on-premises data center along with AWS Cloud. How would you categorize this deployment model? A. Cloud deployment. B. Hybrid deployment. C. Mixed deployment. D. Private deployment. This question is asking what we call a setup where a company uses both its own data center and AWS Cloud together. In simple terms, on-premises plus cloud at the same time equals a specific deployment model name. The correct answer is B. Hybrid deployment. A hybrid deployment means an organization runs its IT environment partly on-premises and partly in the cloud. This model is common when companies want to gradually move to the cloud or keep some systems on-premises for compliance, latency, or legacy reasons. AWS explicitly refers to this combination of on-premises infrastructure and AWS Cloud as a hybrid deployment model. Why the other options are incorrect. Cloud deployment, A, refers to workloads running only in the cloud, not combined with on-premises. Mixed deployment, C, not a standard AWS term. The official term is hybrid. Private deployment, D, implies everything is in a private environment, such as only on-premises or a private cloud, not using public cloud like AWS together with on-prem. Quick memory tip, on-premises plus AWS Cloud together equals hybrid deployment. Question 38. An e-commerce company wants to assess its applications for vulnerabilities and deviations from AWS best practices. Which AWS service can be used to facilitate this? A. AWS Cloud HSM. B. AWS Trusted Advisor. C. Amazon Inspector. D. AWS Secrets Manager. This question is asking which AWS service scans application/workloads for security vulnerabilities and misconfigurations. In simple terms, which service automatically checks my running apps and infrastructure for security issues? The correct answer is C. Amazon Inspector. Amazon Inspector is an automated vulnerability management service that discovers workloads such as EC2 instances, container images in Amazon ECR, and Lambda functions, then scans them for software vulnerabilities and unintended network exposure. It evaluates resources against security best practices and known CVEs, assigns risk scores, and provides prioritized findings so teams can patch the most critical issues first. This makes it ideal for an e-commerce company that wants to proactively assess its applications for vulnerabilities and deviations from AWS security best practices. Why the other options are incorrect. AWS Cloud HSM A provides hardware security modules for managing your own encryption keys. It does not scan applications for vulnerabilities. AWS Trusted Advisor B checks your AWS account configuration for cost, performance, security, and fault tolerance best practices, but it does not perform deep vulnerability scans on applications or workloads. AWS Secrets Manager D securely stores and rotates secrets like passwords and API keys, but does not assess applications for vulnerabilities. Quick memory tip. Think, inspector inspects workloads for vulnerabilities. Trusted advisor equals account level best practice checks, inspector deep security scans. Question 39. An organization has a complex IT architecture involving a lot of system dependencies, and it wants to track the history of changes to each resource. Which AWS service will help the organization track the history of configuration changes for all the resources? A. AWS CloudTrail. B. AWS CloudFront, AWS Config. D. AWS Service Catalog. This question is asking which service records and shows how AWS resource configurations change over time. In simple terms, which service keeps a history of what each resource looked like and when it changed? The correct answer is C. AWS Config. AWS Config is designed to track configuration changes of supported AWS resources over time. It records detailed configuration snapshots and maintains a history of every change, allowing you to see previous states and how resources are related or dependent on each other. You can also use AWS Config to set up rules that check whether your resource configurations comply with internal policies or best practices. Why the other options are incorrect? AWS CloudTrail A tracks API calls and user activity, not full resource configuration history. It answers who did what, not what was the full config at any time. AWS CloudFormation B used to provision resources as code, but it does not track ongoing config changes made outside the stack. AWS Service Catalog D helps manage and distribute approved products, like templates, to users, but does not record resource configuration history. Quick memory tip, think. Config equals configuration history and compliance. CloudTrail equals API activity logs. Config equals resource config timeline. To get the free PDF or mock test, comment PDF or mock or both. I will share the downloadable link within next 24 hours. Question 40. Which of the following AWS services can be used to prevent distributed denial of service DDoS attack? Select 3. A. AWS Cloud HSM. B. AWS Shield. C. Amazon Inspector. D. AWS WAF. E. Amazon CloudFront with Route 53F. AWS Trusted Advisor. This question is asking which services help protect applications from DDoS attacks, especially web apps exposed to the internet. In simple terms, which AWS tools help absorb, filter, or block huge amounts of bad traffic so your app stays online? The correct answer is B. AWS Shield. D. AWS WAF. E. Amazon CloudFront with Route 53. AWS Shield. B. A managed DDoS protection service that automatically detects and mitigates infrastructure layer DDoS attacks like SYN floods, UDP floods against resources such as CloudFront, Route 53, ALB, and others. AWS WAF. D. A web application firewall that helps protect against application layer, layer 7, DDoS attacks by letting you define rules to block bad HTTP requests, limit rates, and filter malicious patterns. Amazon CloudFront with Route 53E. These edge services distribute traffic globally and integrate with AWS Shield to absorb and mitigate large DDoS attacks close to the source, preventing them from overwhelming your origin servers. Together, Shield plus WAF, CloudFront/Route 53 form a layered DDoS defense strategy recommended by AWS. Why the other options are incorrect? AWS Cloud HSM A, used for hardware-based key management and cryptography, not DDoS protection. Amazon Inspector C scans workloads for vulnerabilities and misconfigurations, not for DDoS mitigation. AWS Trusted Advisor F provides best practice checks, including some security recommendations, but does not actively block DDoS attacks. Quick memory tip, think DDoS defense stack equals Shield plus WAF, CloudFront, Route 53. Edge, Shield, WAF stay online under attack.